Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at the trusted PS3 controller that I've been using for the all the PS3 videos, basically to test everything. I don't know if anyone has noticed, but this controller has been through quite a lot. I am essentially missing the bottom half of it, along with the buttons here. As you see, it does work. It does power on, so I'm just gonna unplug it because, you know, don't need that. But what I want to do today is, I got this on eBay, which I'll kind of take it out to show you. It's a replacement shell. It's not an OEM one, so that's how it's gonna look. It's white. It looks kind of, like I said, it's not OEM, it's third party, so it is what it is. So I got a shell, a white shell, because I thought the white one looks cool. And all the replacement buttons. So I shouldn't be needing all of this, because like stuff like this I can probably keep the same, but I want to switch stuff to white where I can, and just see how this all turns out. So I'll leave a link to everything down below. It didn't really cost me that much, like $9-10 to get all of these and this. So essentially what I'm going to do is take it apart, switch it, and hopefully make it look pretty for all of you. So yeah, let's just jump right on into it. So with any of these, usually you kind of want to take it apart, but I don't have anything to take apart. The only thing I do have is, if you guys look in here, one screw. So take my Phillips head, and we're going to remove that one screw. And essentially, the whole thing should just lift right off. I already feel it lifting right off, so that's a good sign. I don't really know what's the dealio with this controller, to be honest with you. I don't know if I just got it like this or if I did stuff to it. Oh, this one's kind of different. So it does look like our rumble is screwed in. So there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to also take those out. With those out, everything comes up. So I don't really need any of this. I'm gonna put this aside, and I'm gonna even take out the analog stick because I don't need this one either. And yeah, this is the main part that I need. So we're just gonna start trying to figure out how I want to transplant things into this guy. So taking it out, let's see how it feels. It feels alright. As you see, we're missing the Sony logo, but that's fine. I hope this guy comes with screws, or else I'm going to be kind of sad. So what I want to do is, as much as I want to make a mixed bag controller, I don't think that's going to look too nice. So I'm going to start taking things out. So I could keep this part the way it is because there's nothing, this works fine. I'm just gonna try to keep as much things OEM as possible. Whoa. So yeah, so certain parts aren't gonna fit, like this guy, which comes out, which is our, like, right over here, will not fit here. So yeah, be careful of trying to bring over everything. So we're gonna need this guy, and geez, some of these parts, Alrighty, so I got most of the controller back together. Two pitfalls. They don't include the little metal thing for this one. So in the original controller it was lost. I lost it, so like this works, right? As you see, this works fine. But I don't have, there's like a little metal thing with a spring to go on this side. So, I mean, as of right now, I'm just gonna have to unfortunately leave it the way it is and try to see if I can like find something. But yeah, so far I would not recommend these third-party shells. They're kind of shitty in my opinion. Excuse my language, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, some parts work, some parts don't. As far as this part goes, I'm just gonna sit my guy back down and everything should line up, and that should kind of be it for this, I think. You know, if everything wants to work. Yeah, you know, it's kind of one of the things with buying non-OEM parts is things don't necessarily line up as they should. So yeah, be warned. As we see here, even my rumbles don't line up properly, which I guess is fine. I'm gonna just screw this back down. Those work. Readjust my D-pad on the left. Alrighty, so here we are, final result. Didn't really like this at all. So it is white. It does feel pretty terrible. That's how it looks. The buttons look alright. It's already scuffed up over there. I don't know. My hands are clean. It only came with 4 screws, so this screw guy is missing right there, which means there's a weird gap. I'm gonna try to find a screw, but as you see there, gap. I have to take my hand to put it. I'm still trying to figure out how to get this guy put in, which kind of sucks. And this is how this side looks with it closed. Like imagine it's screwed in. There's a gap there. Doesn't look nice. These I don't know. This is stuck, kinda. It'll probably work, but it's not. It's not the greatest. It's supposed to be like this. I don't know what's going on. And you know, like I said, PS button is black there, but that's the original one. This is the one it came with. It's just a normal white see-through. So overall, didn't like it. Took a while. Feels like crap. You're probably better off trying to get an OEM or, you know, used original Dualshock 3 controller. Also, make sure you know what model you're getting. So this one's, it says Dualshock 3 6-axis. My original one was just I think it was it's just Dualshock 3. I don't know if this is the bottom. No, see, this is the bottom for it. So I did find it, but it's yeah. And I don't know what's going on. Something's not right here. But yeah, you know, if you thought this was useful or whatever, leave a comment down below. I'm not too excited about this, but you know, you guys see what you get from eBay or AliExpress, because it's essentially the same seller. So yeah, leave a comment down below, like, comment, subscribe. That's always useful. Let me know what you want to see next. I know a few of you have been commenting on the PlayStation 3 in general. Mixed bag of success. I have one that's still working that was reballed, one that was reballed. I gave a different error that couldn't be fixed. The NET Talking ones, I think I'm on 3 of them now, and all 3 are still working fine. There's some stuff I'm trying to work out. I have a bunch of ideas that I do behind the scenes with the PS3, trying to get the balls and stuff working. If you'd like to see that, let me know, and I'll continue doing PS3 stuff. I kind of enjoy it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry about the rant, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you. I can't fall to sleep, my mind just keeps